Chris Greason with Lab Zero Innovations. I've been designing and building high-quality software products since 2008. I want to put a couple videos together to tell you some stories about the things we've learned and seen over the years. And I figure it would be a good place to start right at the beginning. Here we are, Pier 38. We incorporated the company in 2008. I wasn't there at the time, it came a little later. But the dream was, do it better, do it right. We had worked for so many companies where the shortcuts got in the way of quality work. And our first client experience allowed us to do the things we knew we needed to, that were effective. And what better place than a pier, basically a glorified garage on the San Francisco waterfront to bring that dream to life. It started with a team of 3 people: an engineer, a designer, and a product manager. And that trio put together a product that solved a really big problem for our first client. I'll tell you a little bit more about that in the next video. I want to say hi first. Hi. Stay tuned. Bye.